Hey guys, it's me, Noah, and today I'm going to be, as you see, I'm making a video on my mom's channel. It's my mom's channel, so I am going to go upstairs, and I'm walking up the stairs. I know it's not that fun. I'm grabbing my iPad, as you see. It's actually really cool. Let me just flip the camera. It's really cool. But I'm still walking up the stairs, but I'm actually doing something awesome today. I'm going to another YouTuber's house today. I'm going to Larry W262's house, who's actually my grandpa. Surprisingly, I know two YouTubers, and two YouTubers are in my family. Is that crazy? I know it's crazy. So I am in my room, as you see. Is it a nice room? My dad got me that, so don't worry about it. I have, as you see, a lamp time photo of me and my mom. That's her a year ago. What I mean by a year ago, I mean by like October, since October is my sister's birthday. So back to what am I doing? Back to the tour of my room. So as you see, I don't want to say it, but I have if you guys don't know what this is, it's an Alexa. Oh, good, she didn't answer this time. So, whatever this is, I don't want to say it. I'm just going to say Amazon. Amazon is like, this thing is like you can do anything you want with it. Play music. Like, for an example, Alexa, play Barcelona Radio from Pandora.
Barcelona Radio from Pandora.
And it actually works. So I'm going to keep this on for the background, okay? So back to my tour. I have a nightstand. I need to turn this down so you guys can hear me. I have a nightstand with my lanyards. Hold on, Alexa, stop. And I'm going to have to stop the video right now. I'm going to do a part 2 later.